Hello my pumpkins and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Joy. Today I'm gonna be sharing with you my apartment, and I know this video has been requested a lot since I actually moved in and since before I started YouTube, so it's finally here. I'm finally showing you my apartment. I actually wanted to wait till I have a YouTube channel to do it because it's just easier in a video format than just pictures. And also I completely forgot to film the intro early this morning when I was filming another video, so I'm just here in my living room with really bad lighting doing the intro, and I'm gonna do the outro. And I was actually watching Black Mirror, which I'm in season 3 I think, and I'm loving the series so much. But yeah, I feel like this video is going to be super long, so let's just get into it. Guys, so this is the entrance, this is the door. Hello door. So directly you get into the living room slash the bedroom. Yes, the bedroom and the living room are like together, and then this is the hallway. I'll get to that part later, but basically this is the living room. So here we have the TV space and my like bookshelf. This is where I put my university stuff and books and stuff. Very random. This is actually a plant that my aunt got me as like a gift when we moved in. She knew I really wanted a plant and she got me this one. Isn't she the cutest? And I really love it. I've been taking care of it a lot. It's actually a palm tree. It's really beautiful. It just warms up the place in general. This is the TV, my boyfriend's PS4, and this is actually where I put my movies, and the only movies that we have, okay, why isn't it opening? Okay, are the Harry Potter movies. That's the only thing we have. These are books that I have about movie history, and this is for my boyfriend's PS4, so all of his PS4 games and more. Yes. Okay, again, this is where I put my books, my university stuff. These are actually vinyls. I have to bring all of them. I have like a huge collection back in Lebanon, but I only got with me 3. Candles. These are just folders for me and my boyfriend. We put like important stuff here or just random university stuff. This is just with some cables or laptop chargers and stuff. This is what I use when I want to work in the living room. It's so practical. I'm sorry if the light changes all the time. It's just because, yeah, it's natural light. What can we do? This is the sofa. I really love this sofa because this is super comfortable. Okay, we actually want to remove these photos and put Star Wars pictures instead, like scenes from any of the Star Wars movies, but the thing is we didn't have the time to print any of them, so we'll just keep them like this for now. But keep in mind that these are not gonna stay this way, like we're gonna change the pictures. Okay, this is my boyfriend's desk. This is like a I showed you guys already in my beauty and slash fashion haul. These are the magazine organizers, so I put them up. This is how they're looking. This is where I'm gonna put magazines and my fake lavender. It's not actually fake, it's actually, no, it's real lavenders, but they're dried out, so they're not gonna die, like they're gonna stay like this, but they don't smell anymore, so that sucks. But they're still super pretty. So yeah, and this is the table in front of the TV. This is actually my favorite part because these are my movie figurines. I only have 4, but I intend to build my movie collection more. I really want to buy new movie figurines, but these are the ones I have so far. I'm really loving the spot. These are the tissues. Yes, this is where we put our keys. And yeah, and the garbage bin. Very interesting. Anyways, so the living room is open to the bedroom, and this is how our bedroom is looking. This is my boyfriend's side. The messy side is always the boys' side. Sorry guys, but it is true. And this is of course my side, the nice one. And yeah. I really love my bed table. This is actually not working, but yeah. And we have some vinyls up. It's a little bit messy because we're still figuring out like what to do with it. But yeah, basically this is my makeup vanity. I have all of my makeup and skincare stuff in here. And yes, this is the mirror where I always take pictures. Hello. And this is my closet. My boyfriend's closet is here, but this is my closet. It's open with this, the shoes. Basically, yeah. I really love my faux fur carpet. The bedroom is directly open to the hallway, but I'm not gonna open the door now. So this is the hallway. This is actually a black wall where you can write stuff, and all of our friends and family wrote really nice things to us. Yes. Basically where we put our snowshoes, all of our jackets. This is actually a, how do you call it? I don't know, something for the shoes, which I think is awesome. And yes. Random stuff, me putting my rings, random pens and scissors, the hats on the wall. And my glasses. Okay, so this is more storage space. This is the kitchen. This is a random chair sitting here in the corner with barazi, because we do love some Turkish delight. And this is a frame. This is a frame that my aunt gave me, offered me actually as a Christmas gift. Same aunt that got me the plant. This is where we write our grocery, like things to buy. So yeah, this is the kitchen. I really love this space. I just find it so pretty. I really love this. fruit, avocados, and bananas. Yes. So good. We put an extra lamp here because it's pretty like dim, and we like it when it's like when there's a lot of light, or else it just feels very depressing. And this is a black wall as well. We can write stuff, which is cool. So yeah, this is like where we write the things to do, so we don't have like, so we don't forget. Yeah, so this is pretty basic kitchen. This is where we do the laundry. I really love this spot because this is so pretty. Very random stuff, towels and stuff. This is a Starbucks bottle. Okay, this is actually a very high-tech fan. This is where we put like the bad foods, like chips and candy and stuff like this. Yeah, so this is the kitchen. This is actually the bathroom, but it's very uninteresting. I mean, I'm not gonna show you my bathroom. But yeah, this is my house. That's it for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to give this video a like, to subscribe to my channel, and to follow me all over my social media. Bye!